Assalamu alaikum viewers. Thank you very much that you people have subscribed my channel. I am extremely grateful to you for this kind act. And today I would also request from you those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and push the bell icon so you would be updated with the latest videos which I am updating for you and you will be benefiting from it. Especially I have used this bell to be informal with you. That is the reason that if you will see the bell, you will never forget to push the subscription button and you will be pressing the bell icon. Thanks very much for your views. Today the topic we are going to discuss, that is about infancy period. You must have heard this word before, infants. Infants are the small children, they are the neonates. And what is their age period? Their age period is starting from birth till 2 years of their age. And whenever child is born, he is called as the infant and he is known as the neonate. And it is very much difficult to handle such children because they are dependent on the parents, they are dependent on their caregivers and the caretakers, because they cannot even express their pain, they cannot express their misery, they cannot express their hunger, they cannot express their need and want and demand, because they are 100% dependent on the elderly people. And it is very much difficult for the adult parents to handle the child whenever the child is the neonate or the newly born baby, and it would be from 0 to 2 years of the age. But the moment child is born, his physical development started taking place, and the development is going at the rapid speed from the birth till 2 years of the age. Afterwards, the growth will slow down after the 2 years of the child's age, but from the birth to till onward 2 years, the child's development and the growth will be on the faster pace. It will be on the rapid pace. It will be on the fast track. And you must have noticed that child is born and he's smiling, he is giving uh, yawning, he is sneezing. These are all reflexes, because these are not done deliberately, it is uncontrollable by the child, but these are known as the reflexes. If child is smiling and the people who are surrounds him, they must be saying that, oh, child is giving a smile, or child is yawning, or moving the hands, or this and that. These are all based on the reflexes and automatical movements, which are the norms of the normality for the development of the child. There are three types of the development which starts from the birth till 2 years. One is the physical development. Physical development is extremely important, in which number one is the reflexes. And those reflexes are whenever child is seeing the light around and he's seeing some bright object, or he or she is listening some rattle noise or toys noise, he would be startled. He would be stretching the body. When child is stretching the body for first 3 months of his age, that is based on the reflexes as well. And seeing the light and the bright object and moving the neck around, these are all reflexes. And there is one moro reflex and some other reflexes as well which are developed, and these are the milestones in the beginning and first 3 years of the child's life and the child's development. After these reflexes, these were the things which are developing on the physical basis. And he also tried to put his head up, and there are some other physical developments which are taking place from the center to the outward. His organs are smaller enough at the time of the birth, but later on it starts growing. And I would like to give the example of a stomach. Whenever the baby is born, his stomach is very much small. It's just like the as the tip of the finger, and only few ounces of the milk can be absorbed in it. So all the organs start developing and the child starts development And there are two types of the developments. One is the proximal distal development, and the second one is the cardioencephalograms. One is known as the development is taking place from the center to outward, and in which the organs are developing, the size of the organs are growing, and whenever the child is born, his vision and sensory development is not developed enough. He can see only near objects, and he can see only the nearest objects, and he is unable to see the distant objects. This shows that the sensory development is not taken enough, and sensory development is not at the rapid pace, but gradually and slowly the organs are growing, and various other um, developments are taking place. In the same way, the strength of the sensory development is also increasing. And whenever we speak about all the other sensory developments, child is mute at the time of the birth. He can only cry, he can only drink, he can only sleep. So these are the only things which are there within the infant, and he only cry for the milk, and he only cry for the some discomfort. So the crying is the only signal, and crying is only alarm for a child, which give the signal to the parents and the caregivers that he requires something, and he is looking, he wants something, his body requires something. And either if he cannot tell, either the child is feeling warmth or the cold, this is totally up to the parents to keep the child warm and cold according to the environment and according to the situation. Gradually, the child will be developing languages, but this language never comes in the form of the words. Rather, it would be in the form of various murmuring, uttering some words like ba, and small slangs which are ununderstandable for the caregivers and the parents. These are the basics of his languages. And whenever we speak about the emotional development of the child, the emotional development is at the zero level whenever the infant is born, but afterwards, gradually, child will be attached with the mother and the rest of the members, and the father and grandparents. This would be developing an emotional bond with the child, and he will be feeling angry and annoyed, and if um, something is snatched from the child, like the favorite type is snatched from the child, so he would be showing anger, he would be showing dislike towards the action the elderly people and the elderly children are doing with the child. And this shows that the emotional development is also taking place within the child after the 6 months of the age. But before that, there would be the various sequential development which would be taking place within the child. When our child is 3 months old or the 4 months old, he would try to put his head up, because at the time of the birth, the infant's head size is bigger than the size of his body, but afterwards he would be his body size will be growing, and whenever the body size grows, then child is able to manage the weight of his head, and he try to put the head up by the age of 4 months. And by 5 and 6 months, child would be able to sit, and then they start crawling. These are the all sequential changes which are taking place in the infants, but it is going on so rapidly. And then by the age of the 9 months and up to 12 months, there will be the development of the language, and the physical development will also take place, and they start standing with the with some sport, and afterwards they start walking and talking. So the walking and the talking also comes side by side. And if we speak about the gender difference in the walking and the talking, the girls will be started talking before the boys start talk and walk, because they do have the early milestones. Early milestones means that the girls would be developing their uh, walking skills and their talking skills before as compared to the boys. The boys would develop their walking and talking skills later than the girls, so the boys would be having the late milestones as compared to the girls. This was their physical development. And then there is sensory development. According to the sensory development, whenever they are being pinched by the age of 1 year, they would be understanding it, and all the messages would be passing through the um, sensory nerves, and they would be pushing their hand back from the fire, and they would be pushing their hands back from the pricks. So their sensory development is developed at this stage by the 1 year, and the 1 year old child is quite wise child. He is considered the wise one, but they have not developed. The children have not developed the various, like, perception of depth and the perception of distance at this level. That is why they fall from the bed. And this is very common. You must have heard from your family members and from your surroundings that the child fall from the bed, child fall from the stairs, child fall from the height. And why they fell from the bed, and why they fell from, this is because that their perception of the depth and the distance is not developed, and they are unable to perceive it, that if they will fell from the bed they will get hurt. And it's such a distant object for them, and it's very harmful and dangerous. This is why a 2 years old child would be wise enough. Then at that stage they have developed the perception of depth and perception of distance. That's why they can um, perceive the all these perceptions, and that is also very much important for them. Then there is social development. Within the infant's social development, the mother is the center of their attention, and they have seen mother all the time around them, and the father around the infants. That's why they are very much associated, and there is the connection between the child and the parent, and the caregivers. And that connection and the bond develops the cohesiveness and the feeling of love and connectedness, which is very much important for the child. And child always want that he should be along with the parents and the caregivers. Then there the circle, this was the parents are the core of the circle, and afterwards this core of the circle is encircling with another circle, then the grandparents and the siblings and some other relatives, from aunt and uncle. These are the members with which infants is developing the relationship, and they recognize and they identify their relatives, and they identify their grandparents, and they call them. And whenever they start talking, it's not just like this, they are speaking the all the big sentences. Rather, instead of the whole sentence, they would be speaking only a single word instead of using a complete sentence. For example, if milk is spilled over the floor, they would be saying, look, milk, milk, spill. And they would be using only few words. And if they want to call their parents, they would be calling them either by the names, if they have heard names frequently, or they would be calling them with the mummy, daddy. But they would be starting this with ma or dada. These are the words which are the basics for their language development. And this language development, first they would be learning one word. With after the one word they would be learning few words. And while they have practiced few words, then they would be able to speak the whole sentence, and they will be indulging in the whole conversation by the year of 3 years of the age. They can indulge in the full conversation because their language skills have developed enough. By the age of the 3 years, then they would be able to speak completely, and they involve and they can reciprocate with the rest of their siblings in the same way according to the situation, and they would be giving the proper answer and the proper responses whatever is being asked to them. But some of the scientists have conducted the researches that the children have the capacity that they can learn the three languages. They are intelligent enough that they can learn simultaneously three languages. If they are able to learn the three languages, it would be, I feel it would be little hard for the infants that they can learn three languages, because then they wouldn't be able to speak fluently with a single language. In while talking a one sentence, they would be using three language words, and this would be confusing for all those listeners who are not familiar with all those languages. For example, if a child is reared in a cross breeding family, mother is German and father is English. Those so if mother is speaking German and father is speaking English, the child would be speaking two languages, and the third language can be learned from the school. And at that stage, child is able to absorb three languages, and when his uh, cognitive development is complete, then he would be able to speak all those languages. Physical development is taking place side by side, cognitive development is taking place side by side, emotional development is taking place side by side, and social development is also taking place side by side. We cannot say if physical development is going on, then there is a break on the mental development, or there is a break on the cognitive development, or there is button is off of the social development and the emotional development. All those developments are taking place side by side, and this is the normal pace of the development in the infant's life, because this period is going on with very much rapid pace and the rapid pace. In those first 2 years of the child's life, according to the Sigmund Freud, first 5 years of the child's life are very much important. And if you want to make a child or infant a very successful person, these first 5 years of life are very much important, because all the experiences, all the developmental skills, and the physical and the cognitive development is most important while in the first 5 years. So first 2 years are also very much important. If child is properly nourished, if child is given with the properly healthy stress-free environment, without uh, any stress, without any tension, without any pressure, then child can shape up his personality in a very positive way, in a very positive manner in the first 2 years of the life. So we can say if a child is learning anger, he's learning anger from the environment. He's learning anger, hatred, love, and all those emotions in the first 2 years, because he learned it from the environment, the way we are dealing with the child, the way we are handling the child, the way the other siblings are handling the child. These are the most important thing in the first 2 years, and his emotions can be stable, and he can emotionally be short tempered within the first 2 years of the life, because if child is uh, handled with the love, he would be developing a healthy and a good personality, and he would be a very successful person in the later years of the life. But if the environment is not good enough, and he is brought up and rearing under the stressful situation and under the pressure, and he is facing so many um, troubles from the environment, and he is ignored. So child must not be ignored and neglected by the caregivers in the first 2 years of the life, because these are the very important years. And children, infants also may develop the fear in the first 2 years of life. That is why if they are alone in the room, or if they are alone in the cradle or the cot, they may start crying, because they are looking around of their caregivers, and they feel scared and they feel frightened, and they develop various type of the fears in the first 2 years of their life. Today we have discussed first 2 years of the life of the child in a very brief way. Inshallah, I would be doing with another session of the infancy period, and various other stages of the development, because all there are three stages which are very much important in the development up to the teenagers, and these are going side by side, and these are saturated with one another. No aspect can be separated from one aspect to another aspect. and it will be done on the scientific research, because one day research is not enough for giving the findings of the research. Rather, there are the hundreds of the years and the decades of the years research. After that, we would be giving you the research based fact, how child should be reared and what are the facts which are very much important in the development of the infants. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.